guys, I'm Wenda George again here in LORETO Cooking Studios Senan Berhad. We meet again with a new recipe, honey sesame chicken, or in bahasa Malaysia is ayam madu bijan. So are you ready for the ingredients? Let me introduce you with the ingredients. The reason why I'm preparing this recipe is very easy to prepare, but you need to come over here and learn more tips from us to create a very delicious meal. Come. First of all, what you need is one white chicken thigh you cut into cube. And then you put salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and then you need the sliced onion, chopped ginger, and then you need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can substitute with lime juice, or maybe you can change to calamansi juice or juice limau kasturi. And then this one is the spring onion. You need the toasted sesame seed, cooking oil, mixture of oyster sauce and honey, this one, and for the decoration is the cilantro leaves. Let us start. Ladies and gentlemen, the first step is that we need to marinate the chicken thigh with the salt and pepper. This one. The salt, the white pepper powder, and then about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. It goes like this. We marinate it about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we set aside. And then the next step that we can prepare is we prepare the sauce. And then after 10 minutes, we are going to deep fry the chicken that we marinated earlier before. This is super yummy and you should try this. With medium heat, we're going to deep fry the chicken. It started to turn into golden brown color. You wait for a few minutes. And then after that, what you can do is you take out the excess oil. And then I will prepare the sauce, the honey lemon sauce. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir fry the chopped ginger. Until it's so fragrant. And then the sliced onion. And then I put the oyster sauce together with the honey. And I will take about 1 cup of water and I dilute the cornstarch, about 2 teaspoons, to thicken the sauce. But before that, don't forget to pour in the lemon juice. put in the fried chicken. Switch off fire and put Alright, now we are going to decorate our honey lemon chicken. And I need some spring onion on top of it. Put the sesame seed. And then the final touch, I'm using the cilantro leaves. Okay. I'm going to test the dish. It's good to eat with rice and also with noodles or maybe with bread. But I prefer it to be eaten with some hot rice. Okay, let us try. The taste is so perfect. I really enjoy it and I'm proud of myself for preparing this dish. So see you in the next video. Till we meet again. Bye bye.